Very recently, a client of mine came to me and they gave a requirement that they need to migrate from one marketing automation tool to a new marketing automation tool. When asked exactly why they need to migrate, they mentioned that they bought the first marketing automation tool by mistake, which meant that they were not aware of how to look for a marketing automation tool, what features should be there in the marketing automation tool which suits their business. Now, this happens very often that when you are looking for a marketing automation tool, you get in touch with a company, even though you might not require a lot of features or maybe a lot of complexities, maybe you have just started your business, but you end up buying the tool because the salesperson does not care about the features and the requirements of your company as much as they care about their own sales quota. And this is something which is very common. I've seen, and I've also made a lot of videos on this channel about B2B companies being sold B2C marketing automation tool and B2C automation company or B2C based business companies being sold B2B marketing automation tool. This is very, very common. So in this video, we're going to discuss what are the top things that you should keep in your mind before you start hunting for a marketing automation tool. So yes, there are other videos also available on this channel, but we are going to focus mainly on those 7-8 things that you should keep in mind. So let's start. So to start with, you need to understand the business model and your goals. What are your marketing goals at any given point of time? What are your future marketing goals? And then you have to define those goals somewhere. That will help you further understand which tool you should go after. The second thing is, after you have your goals set, is to look for the features. Features are very important because they help you achieve those business goals. It's very important that you look for those features in multiple tools that are available on the market and then go ahead with the next step. The next step should be, once you have identified the goals and also identified what features that you need, is to compile a list of the tools that you want to go for. Now, once you have the list, you will have to have the name of the company, the name of the tool, the features that it has, and what business goals or marketing goals it supports. That is the third step. Now, the fourth step is check reviews and ratings, right? So once you have the business goals, you have the list of features, you have a list of tools that you would like to use. Now, it's very important that you go ahead and look for the reviews, and also, if possible, take reviews of the customers who are already using it. If you know someone, or if you want to get in touch with someone, get in touch with them. There's nothing wrong about it. Talk to them about how they're using the tool and what are the problems that they're facing. Point number 5, once you have zeroed down based on the reviews, now it's time to get demos. You can contact the companies who are selling those marketing automation tools and start and request for demos. Now, be sure that the demo is always focused on the business goals and the business objectives, right? Make sure that you send the business goals and business objectives very in advance to those people or the company who's about to give you a demo, so that they can create the entire demo based on your requirements instead of just giving a general demo, or instead of just showing you those flashy stuff or flashy features which you might not even need. Step 6 is evaluate the cost. You might be having some budget in your mind already. You have to look at that budget and evaluate the cost. You have to look at which tool is going to fit your budget, which tool is going to fit also your business goals and marketing goals. This is the very important step because, again, not every company has a marketing budget to that extent that they would even go for a enterprise level tool. So if you're a startup, or if you're a mid-sized business company, or if you're a small business, try to avoid being sold an enterprise level tool. It looks very fascinating. It sounds very fascinating as well, but it does not make any sense if you're just starting to go for a tool which is very expensive. The same budget can be used in your marketing efforts, which can generate you more leads. 7th important point is consider the support and the community. Now, the support comes in 2 ways. Number 1, the type of support which the marketing automation tool selling companies provides you, right? Is the support also payable? Is the support also chargeable, right? Is it something that you'll have to pay if you want to upgrade? Because some companies do sell you the tool, but when it comes to support, they charge you separately for the support as well, right? There are a lot of companies which do that. So be very careful about that. Be very sure about that. Second type of support which you get is from the community. Does that tool or the company selling the tool has a supporting community, right? And this is very important and is often ignored. This community helps a lot because if you are a subscribed, if you are a subscribed customer, it always helps you to get into the community, post your questions and get direct answers. The last point, make the decision very quickly. Don't get into analysis paralysis. If you get some tools which you think can help you, the request would be to go for the demo and then all the next step and the final subscription as soon as possible instead of wasting time. So yes, with this, I've given you some points to look at. I hope you like the video. See you in my next.